Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Afreen, welcome you to the beginning of new journey of learning Khat al Wissam. So, what is Khat al Wissam? Khat al Wissam is a modern calligraphy. Now, you must be wondering why I am using the term modern here. So, basically, as far as I know, there are two types of calligraphies. One is traditional, and the other one is modern calligraphy. In traditional, we have Khat al Sulus, also known as Khat al Thuluth, and this particular script is known as the mother script of all. And you can see Khat al Sulus on Holy Kaaba in Masjid al Nabawi. You can see there. Also, we have Ruqa, we have Nashq, Nashq is widely used in writing Quran. The script you see in Quran is Nashq. We have Kufik. So there are so many in traditional calligraphy. Now, if I talk about modern calligraphy, then again we have so many in modern calligraphy as well. Let's start with Khat al Wissam. Then we have Khat al Sunbuli. You are going to learn about Khat al Sunbuli a bit in this video. Apart from these two, we have Diwani, we have Mualla, and yes, many more. So let's learn about Khat al Wissam a bit. So Khat al Wissam is created by a person whose name is Wissam Shaukat. So by his name, you get an idea that he gave his name to the script, which is Wissam. Okay, so if I zoom it here, you can see this beautiful man who created this beautiful script, right? This is Master Wissam Shaukat, and also you can see the work, his work on the wall. So yeah, he is Dubai based artist, and you can search him on social media sites such as Pinterest or Instagram. Just write Wissam Shaukat, you will find him. And this script is inspired by Khat al Sunbuli. So let's see what is the difference and what are these two. So here the bold letter one is Khat al Sunbuli, the down it is Khat al Wissam. So you can see clearly that in Khat al Sunbuli there are lots of curves, right? Like if I zoom it here, look at Seen, Swat, lots of curves. Now if I zoom here, again we have lots of curves, but these two are identified as two individuals, okay? And it is, quite understandable in comparison to the Sunbuli. So this is the major difference, and personally I really love Khat al Wissam because it is also readable. It's easily readable. If you see the composition of Khat al Sunbuli, you might get a little bit confused about it, but in Wissam it is quite readable. Let's move to next. Okay, so what are the benefits and why you should learn this script? First, this script is new, okay? This script is new and attractive, and also this is widely used. What I mean by the widely used, in all the Arab countries, and not only in Arab countries, all over the world, this script is quite famous because of the attraction it have, and whenever you write something in this script, it automatically stands out. So yes, because of course this is very famous because of its looks. The next thing is that you can use this script in wedding designs. I have recently designed a wedding card in Khat al Wissam, and necklace. Yes, in jewelry also you can design it with this script. I'm going to do this in next next week. I'm going to design a necklace in Khat al Wissam. Apart from this, the most famous one is the logo. So if you see, if you search about this script, the more you find about is the logos. This script is basically used in logos. So here are some examples. This is the logo Al Yaqeen. You can see how elegantly it is written and how elegantly it is coming out. It is standing out, right? This is very beautiful. Another one is this, like I have gave you an example of wedding card, but you can also see that on the business card also we can use this script. And yes, as I have already mentioned it before, that sometimes it's difficult to read modern calligraphies, maybe because of the curves, a lot of curves in them. And yes, Al Rehman Academy have made it easy for you, and we are providing you an online course of this script, of this particular script, Khat al Wissam. Let me tell you about the format of the course. So we are going to provide you with the recorded sessions, and on every alternative days. Also, that doesn't mean that you are going to totally dependent on this recorded. If you have a doubt and you don't understand the shape or anything about that, you can join the live session. Live sessions will be given to you. Doubt solving sessions will be there on alternative days, so you can clear your doubts in a live session if you didn't understand it. Also, there will be one WhatsApp group where you can share your work, and we will be updating you about your mistakes and everything. So assignments will be given. So this is the format. Also, if you are interested to know more about this course, you can text us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is already given there, IG Al Rahman official. You can just text us there. And yes, apart from this particular course, this Wissam, Khat al Wissam, we have another courses such as Arabic calligraphy. We have 3 different courses. We have Khat al Sulus, we have Khat al Wissam, we have Khat al nashtaliq. Nashtaliq is Urdu calligraphy, and Khat al Sulus I have already mentioned. This is the mother script of all. Apart from Arabic calligraphy, we also have English calligraphy. In English, we have Faux Calligraphy, Brushpen Calligraphy, sorry, Bouncy Brushpen Calligraphy. This is also a modern calligraphy. And then we have a very special one, which is Gothic Calligraphy, my personal favorite. And if I don't talk about calligraphies, then also we have courses such as language courses. We have Arabic language course. This course is very special. We have designed it very differently and very beautifully. In this course, you are going to learn how to speak in Arabic language and how to understand it. If you are going to any Arab countries, you must join this course. Other than that, we have spoken English course and Urdu language course. And of course, we have Quranic courses such as Tajweed Quran, we have Quranic grammar, we have Deen ilm. So these all are paid courses. And apart from them, we have a series with name DAWAT E ILM is going on in our academy. On every Friday at 7:15 p.m. we provide a lecture free for all the ladies who, if you are interested, you can join us on WhatsApp. And yes, I forgot to mention this, that this is our Instagram handle. You can follow us there and explore our academy page. Also, you are watching this video on our channel, which is Qalb e Qalam. So if you learn something in it, and if you find something new, or if you wish to add your points, your knowledge, if you want to share it, you are free to do it. Please let us know your views about our about our video. And if you learned something, then also just let us know in the comment section. And yes, thank you so much if you made it till here. Thank you so much for watching. Jazakallah khairan kasira. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.